Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. How are you all? Good?
Fine.
Good, no? Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good
Ma'am, I
afternoon.
had a few doubts in Nazism.
Hanji, beta, please ask. Yes, Saksham, please ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a line, Hitler devised a new style of politics. He understood the significance of rituals and spectacle in mass mobilization. Ma'am, what is the meaning of this?
He knew that, if he showcases what he wants, people believe in, presentation, beautiful presentation. So he basically sticked to that. He knew how to gain attention of the people, no?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Jivyansh. So here they are talking about that. If he wanted to be in power, he was
Okay, ma'am.
supposed to impress people by whatever means he could. So he, like whatever Nazi ideology was all about, he showed that how disciplined his people are, how, in synchronized manner they move. So whatever gestures they displayed or, showcased to the people, they were quite impressed by that.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
And ma'am, there's another line. The repression of the communists was severe. Out of the surviving 6,808 arrest files of Dusseldorf, a small city of 500,000 population, 1,440 were those of communists alone. They were, however, only one among the 52 types of victims persecuted by the Nazis across the country. Ma'am, meaning of this.
Acha, wait a second, I'll get the book. Just a minute, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. This line is on page number 52.
Ma'am, 58.
Acha, 58. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do history revision only today?
Beta, I have given you some questions for geography. So let us do it tomorrow. Do we have a class tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we have a class or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow we don't have a class?
No, ma'am, we don't have a class.
No, no, ma'am. No
we
class.
don't have a class.
This week, let us stick to geography. Last day of this week. And from Monday onwards, we'll stick to history. Right? Will that be okay? Okay. See, I am sharing some questions on the class group. By the time I'm clarifying Saksham's doubt, you please answer those questions Note them down in the notebook. Don't text the answers, okay? And please share it on the class group. Fine?
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing the questions with you all. Ninth C. Yes, I have shared. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You start doing
Yes,
it, and
ma'am.
by the time Saksham's doubt, I'm clarifying. Okay. If you have any, you can ask. Saksham, you are talking about this. Then he turned nahi. Huh. Then he
Ma'am,
turned.
after the concentration camps.
Acha, the repression of the communists were severe. Out of surviving 6,808 arrest files of Dusseldorf, a small city of 500,000 population, were those of. Acha. Here they are talking about that how the communists were suppressed, and they are talking that most of the people in Dusseldorf city were of communist only. So whole of them were, put into concentration camp by Hitler.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. What else?
And ma'am, pehle, and
Hmm.
ma'am, when Hitler introduced many police forces,
Hmm.
ma'am, like SSS, SCSD,
SA,
ma'am,
SD.
so, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this it is written that the secret police took the people who protested Hitler into their torture chamber and then sent to concentration camp. Ma'am, why were they not sent to concentration camp directly?
भाई पहले गेस्टेपो में उनको टॉर्चर किया जाता था, उसके बाद उन्हें भेज दिया
Yes,
जाता था
ma'am.
गैस चैम्बर्स में. भाई उन्होंने जो भी गलती करी, मींस व्हाटएवर दे डिड अगेंस्ट हिटलर, टू जस्ट टू टीच देम अ लेसन कि आप ऐसा कुछ करोगे तो यू विल बी, this is the treatment that you will get. Though they were not, they never, were alive to tell people about this, but still एक terrorize उनको कर देते थे, so that people don't say that if they are bringing them in front of 100 people or 20 people standing, if they are taking them, they should not feel that yes, they are going for something, unusual. So for a general this thing, and after that to the gas chambers directly.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, on page number 64, steps to death are given. Ma'am,
Yes.
these will come.
No, these will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Any other
Ma'am,
doubt?
can you tell the pattern of our exam?
Beta, Monday I will give you a question paper. In that the whole pattern will be there. You will have, see, I'll tell you verbally, if you want, I'll tell you. You will have 3 parts for questions only. Like first part, you will have very short questions for 2 marks. Then second part, you will have again very short questions, 3 marks. Then you will have answer the following long questions. That will be of 5 marks. 2, 3, and 5 marks questions. Then fourth part that you will have, it will be of comprehension passage. Like it will be a passage reading, and on the basis of the passage only some questions would be given. So you have to answer those questions. Those passages will be of 3 marks each. 2 passages you will get 3 marks each, right?
Ma'am, the answers of that passage will be in the passage only. The question
It is not
answers of
necessary.
question.
It is not necessary. You will be given a passage. On the basis of that passage, they may ask you certain questions. But it is not necessary that the answer will be there in that passage only. Hints you will get from
So,
the
ma'am,
passage. Yes,
ma'am,
Saksham.
in the passage, ma'am, you will not give the sources or anything. Ma'am, like
No.
the normal text you will give.
Yes, normal text that you have in the chapter that you will get.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And then after those 2 passages, you have the map form. Right?
Ma'am, these total will comprise of 80 marks.
80 marks. Yes. Like you
Ma'am,
will
it
have.
will be a bit lengthier.
Why lengthier it will be? 3 hours question paper, whatever you have accordingly, because CBSE has also set up the paper like that only, no? By word limit would be given to you. 2 marks questions, not more than 40 words. 3 marks questions, not more than 80 words. Then 5 marks questions, not more than 120 words. You don't have to stick to 120 only. You can complete your answer in 100 words also. You don't have to touch 120. Yes, Anoki.
Ma'am, please tell not less than.
Not more than 120. No. Yes, Anoki wants to ask something.
Ma'am, I was asking that the questions that you have shared on the group, ma'am, they are of how many marks?
They are 2 marks questions, and the last ones are of 3 marks.
All right, ma'am.
Yes. Saksham?
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
And ma'am, is there any confirmation about online mode or offline mode?
No confirmation. As of now, no confirmation.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Akash sir was saying that most probably, ma'am, the exam will be offline, online.
No idea, beta.
Depends on the condition.
Depends on the conditions actually. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the first question of the worksheet that you've given, ma'am, soil, ma'am, can we write just only 2 to 3 line, ma'am?
हाँ 3 lines लिख दो, कोई problem नहीं है. How do forest affect the soil? हाँ बेटा देखो, whatever the government's order would be, we will act accordingly, right? Generally the school prefers to take offline exam for class 9th and for class 11th. But if the conditions are not good, not compatible, then the school may go for online exam, but as of now it is offline only. So you prepare your exam
Excuse
as
me, ma'am.
Anji beta Saksham.
Ma'am, question number 1.
बेटा ठंड है, हवा चल रही है.
हाँ बोलो कोई बात नहीं.
मैम बहुत ठंड है.
बेटा बाहर ओले गिरे थे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जब आप लोग की क्लास स्टार्ट हुई थी, पता है आपको? हेल्स मॉर्निंग आल्सो वी हैड दिस.
मैं तो सो रहा था तब मैम.
ओ माय गॉड. ओके चलो कोई नहीं, इतना एडवांटेज तो मिल सकता है हमें, है ना?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी सक्षम बोलिए.
Ma'am, in question 1, it should be how soil affect the forest. Ma'am, soil ही तो affect करती है type of forest को.
नहीं, फॉरेस्ट किस तरीके से सॉइल को अफेक्ट करते हैं?
मैम मतलब फायदे.
वो हाँ पॉजिटिव वे में लिखो, हाउ फॉरेस्ट अफेक्ट द सॉइल.
ओके मैम.
है ना?
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा. हाँ ना.
Ma'am, the blue and orange boxes that are given in Nazi and Socialism chapter, will that come?
Wait. Which boxes you are talking about? Sources boxes which are there.
Ma'am, the blue and yes, ma'am, the blue and orange
The
boxes.
blue words are the blue boxes are the new words. New words, of course, you will get. You may get to define. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, the orange one?
The sources ones, if you are talking about that, I have not given. I will be giving you passages from the chapter only. No sources to be
All
taken.
right.
Dates are important. You need to remember the dates. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the map work that we have done. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, these are 2 marks question, right?
Yes. Some are 1 marks also. Like what is the natural habitat of the yak? These are 1 mark question, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I scroll? Have you done these answers?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I've sent my first 5 answers on the group. Ma'am, please check
Checking,
it.
beta. Checking.
Ma'am, we have to send the answers on the group.
Yes, beta. That is why I told you to write no.
Ma'am, I forgot to do the 5th one, and instead of that, I do the 6th one. Ma'am, sorry for that.
Okay, no problems. Beta, this thorn forest answer is not correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 14th question, the states are the option and we have to select in which state the tropical deciduous are there.
Yes, Saksham. You have to choose from those states which are given.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but in the book, ma'am, the thorn forest answer is right, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है नहीं चलो ठीक है अच्छा थॉट ठीक है ओके आई थॉट दिस इज द क्वेश्चन चलो ठीक है फाइन
Okay.
Anokhi has also sent her answers. What about others are not sending?
Ma'am, in the medicinal plant question, do we have to write only the names?
Only the name of that particular this thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Anshika, Ahana, send your answers, beta.
Yes, ma'am, sending.
Ma'am, I have sent. Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, in the 15th question, ma'am, ma'am, the question is tell the animals that are conserved in these national reserves. Ma'am, ma'am, like Gir, Sundarbans, Kaziranga, ma'am, we know. Ma'am, but like, ma'am, in the book, Simlipal is not given. So, ma'am,
Simplipal, I think when we did this chapter, I told you, no, Simplipal elephants are preserved. They are kept, taken care of. Elephants. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, so the extra things in geography in natural wildlife, ma'am, can you make us write somewhere?
Okay, fine. These are actually related to the national park that we have done in the map work. So in the map work only where we have national parks and sanctuaries, I'll make you write which animals are preserved, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Remind me on Monday, we'll do
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
It will hardly take
Okay, ma'am.
5 minutes, right?
Ma'am, choices will be provided in the question answer, right?
Beta, internal choices will be there. Like if there are two marks questions, very short answer type questions. So external तो नहीं है कोई भी choices, internal choices हैं. जैसे internal choices मतलब if you are given 6 questions, उन 6 questions में हो सकता है 5 question के 2 part हो और उनमें choice हो कि कोई एक करना है आपको. That way.
Okay, ma'am.
Internal choices are there. External as such there is no choice. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Why the mangrove forests are not found in Narmada and Tapi rivers? Can anyone tell? Class?
Ma'am, because their deltas, ma'am, deltas are not formed, and ma'am, if deltas are not formed, ma'am, marshy land will be not there.
Yes, very good. Because Narmada and Tapi.
Ma'am, these forests requires, ma'am, these plants require more water, ma'am.
And moreover, Narmada and Tapi, they make estuaries, not the deltas. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
very,
ma'am.
very good. Good. No.
Ma'am, can any picture question can come? Ma'am, your mic is off.
I am saying it is difficult to make the picture-based questions in the question paper. So I am not very apt with that. And that is why this time I have not given any picture-based questions. Passages I have given. Passage based questions are there that I have given. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Anokhi. All correct. Today Rudransh has not taken his class.